In this lesson, we are going to learn how to find the slope and the y-intercept of a straight line when we are given the equation of that straight line. We are going to use different examples in different scenarios so that we can understand better. So can we start with this example here, which says, and the slope and the y-intercept of 2x minus y is equals to 4. So you are already given the equation of that straight line. So the first thing we need to understand about straight lines is the standard equation of those straight lines, and it's given by y is equals to mx plus c, where m is the slope of that line and then c is the y-intercept. So we have m is the slope, c is the y-intercept. So for us to get the slope and the y-intercept of this equation here, we need to force it to look like this. And to force it to look like that, we already have the equation as 2x minus y is equals to 4. I need first of all to move this 2x to the other side of the equal sign. So now it becomes negative y is equals to 4 minus 2x. Then from there, you see here we have y, we don't have negative y. So I need to look far away to eliminate this negative here. And the only easiest way to eliminate this negative is to multiply everything in this equation with negative 1. So I go ahead and multiply everything with negative 1. It will be negative 1 multiplied by negative y is equals to negative 1 multiplied by 4, this 4 here, then minus this negative, then negative 1 multiplied by 2x. And then from there, I can open the brackets. And when I open the brackets, it will be negative 1 multiplied by negative y, which is positive y, because negative multiplied by negative is positive. Then is equals to negative 1 multiplied by 4. So it will be negative 4 because 4 here is positive, multiplied by negative, it will be negative. Then negative multiplied by negative here, it will be positive. So it will be positive 2x, because 1 multiplied by 2x is just 2x. So now it becomes y is equals to negative 4 plus 2x. But still, it doesn't look like this. Yes, we can see we have the y, but on the right side, we have negative 4 plus 2x, but we need mx plus c. So x should start, not the constant. So here we just need to interchange the values here, and then the constant negative 4 comes to this side here, and 2x starts. So now it looks like this. Y is equals to 2x minus 4. So now it looks like the standard equation of a straight line. We have the y is equals to mx. Well, now in our equation, the mx will be 2x, then plus c. It will be negative 4 because our 4 here was negative. So negative multiplied by this first step, it will be negative. So it becomes negative 4. So now we can read the slope and the y-intercept of this line. And the slope, we said, it is the coefficient of x, which is 2. So the slope of the line will be 2. And then the y-intercept will be the constant, which is negative 4. So c will be negative 4. Let us try another example. In this question 2, we are taught, find the slope and the y-intercept of 3x plus 2y is equals to 12. But we said, of course, the standard of any straight line, equation of any straight line is given by y is equals to mx plus c. So we need to force this equation to look like this. And to do so, I just need, of course, to move these 3x to the other side of the equal sign. So now it becomes 2y is equals to 12 minus 3x. Reason being, here 3x was positive, on the other side of the equal sign, it will be negative. Then from there, you see, we need y, we don't need 2y. So I can divide everything in this equation with 2 so that I can eliminate this coefficient of y here. So now it becomes 2y divided by 2 is equals to 12 divided by 2 minus 3x divided by 2. Then from there, of course, 2y divided by 2, it will remain to be y is equals to 12 divided by 2, which is 6, minus 3 divided by 2, which now becomes 3 over 2x. You can just leave it like that. It's not a must to change it to decimal. Then from there, it is almost close to this, but not really. So, to force it to look like this, I need to move this constant on this right side of the this 3 over 2x, so that at least it can look like this. So now it becomes y is equals to negative 3 over 2x, then plus this 6 here. And now it looks like this, where we have the y, then we have negative 3 over 2x, where now m would be the negative 3 over 2, then we have the x, then plus c, where the c would be, of course, the 6. So now the slope becomes m is equals to negative 3 over 2, which is the coefficient of x, and then the y-intercept becomes positive 6, which is now the c. So can we do another example? How about if we are given a question like this, which says, find the slope and the y-intercept of 5x minus 3y is plus 9 is equals to 0. So the first thing, of course, we know the standard equation of any straight line is given by y is equals to mx plus c. So we need from this equation here to move everything from this left side to the right side, and on the left side we are only left with the negative 3y. So to do so, I can just move the 5x and the 9x on the other side of the equal sign. So it will be negative 3y is equals to, I move this 5x to the other side, it becomes negative 5x because here it was positive, then minus 9 because also when I move 9 to this other side, here it was positive, on the other side it will be negative. So now I have negative 3y is equals to negative 5x minus 9. But you see, the equation says we must have y, not negative 3y. So to remain with y here, I just need to divide everything here with negative 3, so that I can eliminate that negative, and I can also eliminate the coefficient of y, which is 3. So to do so, it will be negative 3y divided by negative 3 is equals to negative 5x divided by 3 minus 9 divided by negative 3. From there, of course, it will be negative 3y divided by negative 3, we remain with y is equals to negative 5x divided by negative 3. This negative and this one will cancel, then we can just leave the fraction as it is. There is no need of changing it to decimal. So now it becomes 5 over 3x, then we have negative 9 divided by negative 3. This negative will cancel with this one, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now it will be plus 3. It is still, now it will actually looks like our equation of a straight line, because we have the y, we have mx, which is 5 over 3x, then plus 3. So from there we just need to read the slope and the y-intercept. We said the slope is the coefficient of x, which now in this case would be 5 over 3. That is the slope. Then we have the y-intercept, which will be the constant, and the constant is 3. So now, following that logic, can you try this question 4 and this question 5 here? And you see, if you understand how to find the y-intercept and the slope of a straight line. And that's how we do it. Let us meet in the next lesson, where I'm going to explore a different concept in mathematics.